paper shredder sensors acting up, the auto start-stop not working, or the bin full light stuck on. These are common problems with straightforward solutions. The most common culprits are paper jams, dust accumulation, and misaligned components. Let's diagnose these step by step. Before any troubleshooting, always unplug the shredder for safety. This prevents accidental activation while you're working on it. First, check for paper jams. Look for stuck paper in the feed slot or cutting mechanism. Use the reverse function if available, or manually remove jammed paper with tweezers or pliers. Next, locate the sensors. They're typically found in the center of the feed entry or near the waste bin. Clean them gently with a soft cloth, cotton swab, or compressed air. Important, avoid using canned air as it can damage sensitive sensor components. Gentle cleaning is key. Finally, check that the waste bin is correctly aligned and fully seated. Even slight misalignment can trigger the bin full sensor, causing the light to stay on even when the bin isn't full. These simple diagnostic steps solve most sensor issues. Remember, safety first, gentle cleaning, and proper alignment are key to getting your shredder sensors working correctly again. If cleaning doesn't resolve sensor issues, oil buildup on the sensors may be the culprit. Oil accumulation can interfere with sensor operation and cause various malfunctions. Use a credit card or rigid piece of cardstock to carefully clear any obstructions from the sensors. Always unplug the shredder first for safety, and be gentle to avoid damaging the sensitive sensor components. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing sensor problems. Oil the blades each time you empty the bin, using only proper shredder oil or lubricated sheets. Clean the shredder regularly with a soft, dry cloth or brush to prevent dust and debris accumulation. If problems persist after cleaning and maintenance, consult your shredder's manual for specific troubleshooting steps or consider professional service. Prevention is key. Avoid overloading the shredder, don't shred inappropriate materials like glossy paper or adhesives, and always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for optimal performance.